Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Oppo A52 versus the Oppo A5 2020, and both phones give you a same Snapdragon 665 chipset with 4 GB of RAM. On the back we have a quad cameras on the back, as you can see. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo came up first on the Oppo A52, followed by the Oppo A5 2020, and Oppo A5 2020 is running on Android 9 Pie, while the new Oppo A52 is running on Android 10. And you can see we have this new animation which you only see on Android 10, and you can see that Oppo A5 is faster when it comes to booting up, while the Oppo A52, it is still taking some time, and now it is also done. Huge difference between these two devices, although both phones give you a same chipset as well as same RAM size. And guys, you can see that both phones give you a very big display, but we have a 720p IPS HD display with a notch on the front, while the Oppo A52 give you a full HD IPS HD display, but we have a punch hole display on the Oppo A52. Let me show you, and you can see it is on the left hand side. Looks very beautiful. And guys, like always, everything is close up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. We have phone dialer on both phones. Here we go. About the same on both phones, no difference here. We have only software difference, Android 9 versus Android 10 on the new Oppo A52. Let's see settings. Faster on the new Oppo A52. Mic lock little bit faster on the old Oppo A5 2020, followed by the A52. Now let's see the calendar, and faster on the Oppo A5. Now let's see some more apps. We have Amazon Shopping and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and you can see about the same on both phones, no difference here. Maybe the Oppo A5, it is a little bit faster there, followed by the A52. Now let's see. The scrolling feels very smooth on both phones. Snapchat faster on the Oppo A5 2020. Instagram again faster on the A5. Spotify and faster on the Oppo A5 2020. So now let's launch some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga, and let's see who is faster there. Although both phones give you a same chipset, we have Snapdragon 665 chipset, and you can see Oppo A5 2020, it is just a tiny bit faster there. The Subway Surfer, and let's see it is again happened or not, and that is about the same on both phones, and you can see no difference there. Last game application we have is the Temper Run 2, launching at the same time, and the Oppo A5, it is faster there, and you can see it is huge faster than the Oppo A52, and both phones give you a Snapdragon 665 chipset, but you can see that the Oppo A5 2020, it is just a tiny bit faster there. Is Edge, and looks like faster, and you can see about the same on both phones, no difference here. Twitter, and that is faster on the A5 2020, followed by the A52. And last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app faster on the Oppo A5 2020, followed by the Oppo A52. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I'm using default Google Chrome on both phones, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. Wikipedia.org first website, and you can see faster on the new Oppo A52, followed by the Oppo A5 2020, and the scrolling looks very smooth on both phones. So now let's check out the RAM management on both phones. Both phones give you a 4 GB of RAM, so very interesting to see who is perform better in the RAM management. In my last speed test, Oppo A52, it is not good in the RAM management. Now let's see phone dialer, refresh on the A52. Let's see settings, that got refresh on both phones. Mic lock, no refresh. Let's see the calendar, that is only refresh on the Oppo A52. Amazon Shopping, refresh, also refresh on the Oppo A5 2020. Let's see Snapchat, refresh. Instagram, that card refresh only on the A5. Let's see Spotify. Let's see Candy Crush Sega. And you can see almost all the apps is refreshed on both these two devices. Subway Surfer, that is not refreshed on both these two devices. Let's see the Temple Run 2 Zech, no refresh. Let's see the Tutor refresh on the Oppo A5 2020. And now last we are back to the internet browser where we left. And guys, overall I have to say that the app's opening speed, it is definitely faster on the Oppo A5 thanks to the good software optimization. I hope that the app's opening speed, it is also will be improved on the Oppo after some updates. RAM management is absolutely bad on both phones. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Oppo A52 versus the Oppo A5 2020. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the Oppo A52. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.